Hello friends, today I'll show how to install Windows 2004, so latest version. First of all, open your browser and type Windows 10. Then go to first website. If you want this, I will give in the link description also this link. After download the media creation tool. So I already downloaded. I'm going to open the media creation 2004. So if you want to upgrade your current PC, you can upgrade now. Or you want to create like me ISO file, then copy it to pen drive. Then also you can install both ways. So if you don't have pen drive, if you can go with upgrade now. So if you have pen drive 8 GB at least, then you need to select ISO file. It would be better. So you can see here upgrade this PC. If you don't have pen drive, you can go with upgrade this PC now. So it will not remove your files. If you have pen drive, you can go with second option. So you can directly download into USB flash drive, or if you want to create ISO file and later burn into pen drive or DVD, you can go with ISO file. So I'm going with ISO file. So you can give your name. So I already given it, downloaded it and verified it. So I'm closing it now. So I will show you that file. This is a file 3.85 GB. So you can now use the software Rufus. So go to browser. If you don't have Rufus, you can download Rufus. Type. I will give in the link description also, and download the Rufus portable. So I already downloaded that. Just go to open. Going to open Rufus. Now connect your pen drive. Now select. Now you can see your pen drive name and size. Then select your ISO file which you downloaded. Then if you have latest, then it would be GTP partition. So to know GTP partition or MBR partition, just head over to Windows Start, scroll down, Windows Administration tool, go to Computer Management, here Disk Management. Now click here, go to Properties. So here you can see volumes GPT partition. So mine is GPT, so I'm going with the GTP. So start and burn your start. So I'm not going to do that because I'm installing on virtual machine. So if you then plug your pen drive to PC, go to BIOS settings. If you don't know BIOS settings, search in the net and change to boot sequence order to pen drive. Then it will boot from pen drive. So I'm booting from virtual machine. So let me open virtual. Here I already set up the virtual machine Windows. So I already selected the ISO file here, so it will boot from that. So it is booting from that. So select your console. I'm going with the default 2 bit fix. So I'm just skipping it now. So you can select your wish. So I'm going with 10 Pro. So if you have home, you have to go with home. If you have home single. So if you have already Windows, you can go with upgrade. So I'm installing fresh. I'm going with custom. So I'm going with full drive space. After this complete, you can finish after restarting. Getting ready, you can remove the pen drive at that time. So it is completed. So we can restart now. Press any key to. Now you can remove your pen drive. So it is booting again from pen drive. So let me go just power off the virtual machine and remove the ISO file. Then I will be back again. Let me open that. So if you are booting again from pen drive, change the boot or sequence, or you can remove the pen drive and boot. So I'm going to remove this ISO file. I'm going to start again. As you can see, now it is loading. Starting services, getting reviews ready. Okay, let me unpause here. I will be back when the screen gets ready. So I'm just pausing now. Hello friends, I'm back. Now after a couple of restarts, it's showing select with your region. I'm going with default. So to be quick, so US keyboard, layout, skip. So it is asking personal use or organism. So I'm personal use. So it is asking Microsoft. I'm going with offline account. So limited experience. Name, I'm giving my name. Password, I don't use password. So generally I will turn off all this, but now I'm going with accept. Anyway, I'm not going to use this. So Kotan I'm not going to use now. As you can see now we got. Now we can check the version by typing Windows plus R. Type Wind VER. So you can see version 2004 build number. That's it friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, comment below. If you want many more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe the channel.